The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about a Nokia 2V Tella for Verizon Prepaid. So this is a new phone for Verizon Prepaid. This is a budget smartphone. So do keep that in mind. So this is an interesting smartphone. This has an interesting name to it, of course. So yeah, this is what the Nokia 2V Tella looks like. This has big ass bezels on it, but this has the 18:9 screen, so it's nice. It's available now in blue, and 16 gigabytes of storage, and the price is $168. Alright, so yeah, this will be a good backup phone or whatever. So this is a budget phone, so do keep it in mind. So anyways, this is the Nokia 2V Tella. So you guys have earpiece, front facing camera. You have your Nokia logo on the upper right hand corner of the front. Nice little wallpaper there, pretty nice and whatnot. You have a power button and volume keys on the left side of the phone. This is, I think, your Google Assistant key right here on the left side, I think. So pretty cool. In the back of the Nokia 2V, you guys have dual camera setup, camera flash, Nokia logo, Verizon logo, and your speaker on the back. So pretty nice there. And this is the right side of the phone. Volume keys, power button on the right side, and then on the left side of the phone you have your Google Assistant key. So yeah, so the Nokia 2V has 2 days of standby time, 48 hours of usage time, dual cameras in the back at 8 megapixels and 2 megapixels in the rear. The dimensions are 5.93 inches in width. 5.93 inches in height and 2.82 inches in width. Alright, so yeah. It says meet the new Nokia 2V Tella. It's got all the things you need and a few extras you will love. Outfitted with all your favorite features like an AI-enabled smart camera, 2-day battery life, and an impressive 5.45-inch HD plus display. Snap stunning photos even after dark using the dual rear cameras with depth sensing technology. Blur the background on your next portrait or add a fun background shape. The dedicated Google Assistant key lets you quickly and easily access all Google Assistant has to offer with a single tap. And for those who need to power through, the 2-day battery life won't let you down. Do more of what you love with the Nokia 2V Tella and Verizon's America's most awarded network, alright? So yeah, so secure and easy to use. Biometric face unlock easily unlocks your phone with a simple look. So this does have face unlock, which is nice, not bad for a budget phone like this. And with luminous detection, you can quickly unlock your phone even in low light conditions. So it doesn't matter if it's light or dark. You will be able to use face unlock with this phone day or night. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Get the perfect shot. Capture stunning photos with the rear 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel cameras. The 8 megapixel main camera has depth sensor technology and AI enhanced autofocus for sharp images even in no light conditions. Shoot in portrait mode for studio grade photos with an artistic bokeh effect, or make adjustments to the background using Google Photos after you have taken the shot. And the 5 megapixel front facing camera is perfect for a share-worthy selfie. Hey, good looking, all your favorite binge-worthy content comes to life on the pocket-sized 5.45-inch HD plus This phone so the screen is a bit small for this right here. Ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip and built with a water-resistant outer shell. This fan is as durable as it looks good looking. So this fan is water resistant. It's not waterproof or anything like that, so don't submerge your phone in water. So if you do get the phone, if you guys get this phone a little wet, it should be able to handle it, but do not submerge your phone in water, because this is not waterproof, right? Smart battery for all-day power. With a 3000 mAh battery, the Nokia 2 V Tella is optimized for all your everyday performance needs. The 2-day AI-assisted adaptive battery line says you use your phone and prioritizes battery life to the applications you use most. Dedicated Google Assistant key. Instantly access the best of Google Assistant with the dedicated Google button. Get more done with ease. The Google Assistant button gives you quick access to all types of information with a simple tap. So pretty nice and convenient right there. So the specs on this phone are not great. This is a budget phone, so you have to keep it in mind. I don't think the price is worth it. If it was like maybe 60, 70 bucks or 80 bucks, I could see it, but 168 bucks, no, it's not worth it. You do get 2 days of standby time, 48 hours of usage time, dual cameras in the back of 8 megapixels and a 2 megapixel camera on the rear, 5 megapixel front facing camera. The Nokia 2 V Tella weighs 6.35 ounces, so not too bad. Your dimensions are 0.36 inches depth, 2.82 inches width, and 5.92 inches height. You do have a 3000 mAh battery. The battery is removable, so that's nice, and returns on board. You get 2 GB of RAM, 600 GB of RAM. There's a hearing aids there. Star ratings, network 4G. There is no 5G in this phone, of course. You do get a MediaTek MT6761 quad-core 2 GHz processor, dual 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. I don't think it's dual band Wi-Fi, I don't think so. And that is 8 to 11 BGM. Voice Assistant, Google Assistant with Google Assistant pre-installed Alexa button, press supported. So you do have 2 options there. AC voice that to experience AC voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection, so that's pretty good. If you guys need help with your Nokia 2V, if you guys need to learn how to set up the phone, use a certain feature, Verizon has you covered with that with the device support. Such as Verizon Wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So that's a great tool to have there. What comes in the box is your Nokia 2V Tella prepaid smartphone, the charger, USB cable. I don't know, it's probably a micro USB, or maybe it's Type-C, I'm not really sure. Printed materials, quick start guide in English and Spanish. That is postpaid only. This one's available for postpaid as well, so that's for postpaid only. So if you guys get the quick start guide, it'll be better in English for this one here, for the prepaid version. But if you guys get the postpaid version, it will have English and Spanish quick start guide. Product safety warranty. UG band. The fuck is that? Okay. Activate your phone, meet your phone, and pre-install some code. Okay, so interesting stuff here. So yeah, this is about the smartphone. It does look very nice, minus the big color. I'm just not a fan of it. And the price is just too damn high for this fucking phone. It's too damn high. $168 for something worth it. If it was like maybe $70 or $80, I could maybe see it worth purchasing. But for $168, it's not even worth purchasing the phone. The phone does look very nice. I just have pretty instant features for what it is about the smartphone. It's better than blue, which I'm not a fan of. If it was better than black, it would be, a lot better in my opinion. But this one's not worth it because it's $168 for this one, and this one would be a great backup phone. It does have Android 10, which is nice. But the price just sets it off, dude. Like, the price is not even worth it. For $168, you can do a lot better with that. So I would not pay $168 for this, and I wouldn't even pay for it. So, maybe if this phone goes down in price, I maybe pick it up and try it out. But for $168, it's not even worth picking up, dude. It's not. So, do you guys have it? The Nokia 2 V Tella, now available at Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys are looking for a budget smartphone, first phone for your kid or whatever, just find this look very nice, and then there's pretty interesting features with it. Do keep in mind this is a budget smartphone, but the price is too damn high. Who has one pay $168 for this one here? The specs don't justify the price, and don't. So yeah, for $168, it's not worth it. So yeah, so there you guys have it, the Nokia 2B Tella number with Verizon Loss. What an interesting name for a phone. I'm telling you, dude, these names are interesting for prepaid phones. But yeah, there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.